me Rakesh Srivastava, teaching you Maths of Class 9th, Chapter 8 Quadrilateral. In this chapter, I have finished the question number 3. Till 8.2 exercise, 1, 2, 3 questions are over. Question number 4 is given. Trapezium ABCD, EF is parallel to AB is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to AB. It is given. E is the midpoint of AD, find F is the midpoint of BC. You want to prove. In the proof you will get in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, E is midpoint of AD. EO is parallel to AB because AB is parallel to EF. It is given. Therefore, by converse of midpoint theorem, O is midpoint of BD. Equation first. Now you will see in triangle BDC. This is over. Now you will see this is equal to this given line drawn from midpoint on one side parallel to second side bisect the third side. In triangle DBC, O is midpoint. O is midpoint by equation 1. It is by equation first. OF is parallel to CD. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to EF. So AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel, so EF and CD will be also parallel. Therefore, again by converse of midpoint theorem, F is midpoint of BC, hence proved. You are getting, very simply you are getting this. Question number 5 you will see. Question number 5. Question number 5 of the exercise, in a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints. In a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of AB and CD. It is given. AP and C, AE and AF and CE intersect BD at P and Q. You want to prove AF and CE trisect BD. What you want to prove? AF and CE trisect the diagonal BD. ABCD parallelogram ABCD, in which E and F are the midpoint. Here E and F are the midpoints. To prove AF and C trisect BD. Trisect BD means all the three parts are equal. DP equal to PQ equal to PQ. Now first you will prove AECF is a parallelogram. AECF, in quadrilateral AECF, AB parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD, sides of parallelogram. Opposite side of parallelogram are equal and parallel. Then half of AB will be parallel to half of CD and half of AB will be equal to half of CD. This half you can write, half of AB you can write AE or EB. So I want AE. So AE is parallel to half of CD is CF and AE is equal to CF. Therefore, AECF is a parallelogram. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. One pair of opposite sides parallel and equal. So quadrilateral is a parallelogram. It is a theorem. Now in triangle APB. In triangle APB, this triangle, E is midpoint given, EQ is parallel to AP because EC is parallel to AF, opposite side of parallelogram. EQ is parallel to, therefore Q is mid point of PB by CMPT, Karmar's of midpoint theorem. Line drawn from midpoint of one side parallel to second side bisect the third side. So Q is also the midpoint of PB. So now in triangle DQC is this triangle. DQC, F is midpoint. F is the midpoint. FP is parallel to CQ as above. What is the reason? Therefore, P is midpoint of DQ by Karmar's of midpoint theorem. Again, F is the midpoint already given. FP is parallel to CQ because of it is a parallelogram AECQ. So P will be also the midpoint, and then therefore here DP is equal to PQ. Here you are getting Q is the midpoint means PQ is equal to QB. It is the equation first, it is the equation second. By first and second, what are you getting? D, here PQ equal to QB, PQ is equal to QB is equal to DP. All the three parts are equal because PQ equal to QB and PQ equal to DP. All the three parts are equal, therefore C and CE and AF trisect BD. Hence proved. It is a very common and easy questions. You have proved these two questions in this lecture. Thanks, and rest I will tell you in the next lecture.